Hey, didn't see you there. I'm busy doing laundry for the first time here in Seoul, which is great. Hanging it here on this beautiful pink laundry rack. And we're going to go to the Hyundai in Apgujeong. We're going to go have some delicious food made by our friend Chef Joe, who we're actually making a documentary about, at the department store there. It's called Handed Recipes. So it's all about the sort of handmade sort of ways of doing things. So we're pretty excited to have that because we are very hungry. Correction. It's also handmade, but at the same time, handed recipes are because it's handed down by Michelin star chefs, which Chef Joe happens to be the best.
Buy the most expensive thing at a luxury store episode.
And the next episode after that will be returning the most expensive thing at a luxury store episode. I feel like they probably won't. They're like, no, you've made that decision. We spent the commission already. You can't return it.
How about buy the cheapest thing at a luxury store episode?
Does it matter which luxury store it is? There must be like a specific like Korean branded luxury store. Let's say, for example, Suwasu, right? But like, what is another Korean luxury brand like that? What's the Korean Prada or what's the Korean Louis Vuitton or something?
Martin Kim?
I guess we'll have to go check that out now. Time to do some tapping. Also, cross on the street.
Apgujeong rodeo station.
Koenig Seoul. I think getting a G-Wagon in Seoul is such a flex. The most common car we see now is probably a Hyundai or a Kia. Usually a Genesis. We drove a pretty lux area like we are right now.
Next stop is Hyundai Apartments.
Apgujeong. Row. Hyundai should be right there, right? Only in Korea do they do umbrellas at crosswalks so we can wait in the shade. Because otherwise, you wait out here and you cook. Or you come in here and it's absolutely beautiful and perfectly fine. Or the Ondas is right there. That's where we go because we're fancy. We have food there. Yeah, we'd have dinner there. So that's the Hyundai right there, right? So we're going downstairs to the food court, which when I say food court, I'm not talking about Sbarro. I'm talking about like actual better quality food because in Korea, if you go to the malls and stuff, all the malls are very much luxury malls. And on the bottom floors, they have really high-end food and dining options. So we're gonna go down to Handed Food and actually get some delicious food made by Chef Joe. So this is Handed Recipes. This is the place we're gonna eat at. And you can kind of tell how it's set up too, is that there's our boy right here. The man, the myth, the legend, Chef Joe. Look at his beautiful smiling face.
Chef 조승현's new menu.
Oh, that's nice.
It says 조승현 셰프 신메뉴 이베리코 목살 차슈. So it says 저온 조리한 이베리코 목살에 다크빈 간장 글레이즈를 발라 구운 후 중화풀 칠리 소스를 곁들인 차슈, 랍스터 월도르프, 사과, 샐러리와 식감을 더해 직접 만든 감차 마요네즈로 버무린 랍스터 새우 샐러드.
So his specials are here right now. Oh, this will be so good. And we have like a broccolini, I guess technically, broccoli stir fry with shrimp. We have a barbecue chicken, I'm assuming, with what looks like shishito peppers grilled on the side. And this, I'm not sure exactly what that is. Is that hamburger steak as well?
Cream sauce hamburger steak.
Okay, so that's cream sauce hamburger steak. It's probably mushroom cream sauce, I'm guessing, right? And then classic hamburger steak with gravy. And I would assume this is probably, that's got to be unagi right there.
Chef Sung of Mosu.
And there's more Chef Joe stuff over here.
Mosu Seoul, Mosu Yummy, citrus 간장. Now we've got Chef Joe's recipe, which is 명란 새우장, lobster장, 갑오징어장, 전복 가리비 관자 무침, and more recipes from Kim Jin-hyuk chef, Juok chef, all these chef-driven recipes.
This also gives a good example of like why, when I said like it's not a food court, this is more like a dining experience because each one of these little places looks pretty luxury. You have Rune biscuits, 17 over there.
Yeah, this whole place is really luxe. 차슈 하나랑 함바그 하나랑요, 랍스터 월더프 하나요. So it says 향과 식감이 일품인 골든 퀸 쌀에 콩미한 마늘로 은은한 향을 대한 향미 쌀밥 추가.
This place makes me feel so fancy. I had to put my hands behind my back like an old man. This will be the first time I actually have anything Chef Joe's made.
It's basically a soft serve ice cream that tastes like a bread, like a freshly baked baguette.
That sounds insane. We're eating fancy today. So first of all, we have obviously a mountain of food in front of us. There's 2 bags. This is like a shrimp paste essentially, right?
Lobster Waldorf. rice, hamburg, chashu, iberico, two kombuchas, and a 새우 명란젓. You ready?
I am beyond ready. You actually have to be delicate with the chashu because it's so soft. It's melting apart right as I'm just touching it with my chopsticks. Wow. I'm actually speechless. I don't know what to say about this. It's incredible. You can tell how good a restaurant is about how good the rice is. This is really good rice. Absolutely incredible. Chashu, and it's left me tongue-tied. That's how good this was. The Hamburg steak is phenomenal. I can just like take that gravy and just bathe in it. That's how good that is.